Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Also, happy Valentine's Day. This is my 6-year anniversary of dating my boyfriend, and my outfit, I seriously feel like I'm wearing the perfect Valentine's Day outfit today because this tie-dye sweatshirt has matching sweatpants. So I love this set. Of course, I'm like loving the color pink and being cozy, and that's what I want to do on my Valentine's Day anniversary is just hang out at home, order takeout, relax in my boyfriend's new man cave with the really cool reclining couch, and that just sounds like a perfect night to me. But let me know in the comments down below how you and your significant other are celebrating Valentine's Day this year. I feel like with COVID and everything, things have changed so much. We had Valentine's Days where we would go on trips and vacations. Pretty much all the other times we went out to eat, to restaurants, but now I just love being at home so much more than I ever used to, and it's so funny how things have changed. But so for today's product, I am trying out a product that I felt was kind of suitable for Valentine's Day because it's supposed to make your lips just completely moisturized and plumped up and, you know, kissable for Valentine's Day. That sounds good, right? And I have such dry lips, so I love trying out lip treatments and lip masks, and this one sounds especially cool because it exfoliates and is a hydrating lip mask. So I think this is exactly what my dry lips need. It's available at Ulta and it has such high ratings, which has me very excited about this. So it's the Kinship Supermelt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask. It's clean, it's cruelty-free. It retails for $18, and it's supposed to have this quick melt formula that becomes an oil, which I'm really excited to see what that's like. It has really cool ingredients in it, like papaya enzyme ferment to exfoliate and smooth the lips, hyaluronic acid, which I love, and sea buckthorn berry, which I've never heard of. It's an antioxidant-rich superfruit that protects and restores the delicate lip barrier. Well, that definitely sounds like something I want to use. And it seems extremely easy because the instructions say like you can apply it as a daily treatment, an overnight mask, which I love to wear an overnight lip mask every night. And so yeah, you just apply an even layer to the lips daily or whenever you need a boost of hydration. Okay, I need that boost of hydration on my lips right now, so let's check it out. Okay, this is so cool. It's like that flexible applicator, a little squeezy tube. I do feel like this is small, like you get a lot less product in here than other lip masks. And for $18, that's pretty expensive, but maybe a little goes a long way. I'm going to try and just squeeze out a little bit. It's actually kind of hard to get it out because it is supposed to be that melting formula. This seriously feels almost impossible to get out. So maybe this is not the best packaging because it is literally so hard to get out. Am I doing this wrong? It's almost like you have to warm up the tube or something. But okay, I got a little bit. Let's see what it does for my lips. The texture is interesting, how it's so thick and now it is like a gloss texture, so it really did melt. It's supposed to have a nice smell to it, but I don't get anything overwhelmingly strong. What it actually kind of reminded me of at first was like a cherry chapstick kind of smell and taste to it, just very nostalgic. But I think a little does go a long way since it kind of melts, so you just need a little bit. I almost feel like I applied too much, like I have a very thick layer on now. But it really did completely hydrate my lips. As far as that exfoliating aspect, I was wondering if this was going to have like a texture to it for a physical exfoliation. but it does not at all. It's just basically like a lip gloss kind of petroleum jelly, like a little bit in between that thin liquidy formula. And if I rub my lips together, I can still feel the dry texture of my chapped lips a bit, so it's not like it really exfoliated it off. This more just seems to have moisturized and put a shiny, smooth barrier on top of the chapped areas, which is great. Kind of reminds me of a petroleum jelly in that sense. So I would say this is more so a lip mask. Like, it's moisturizing my lips. It's got that layer barrier, but it's not like a lip scrub. When it claims to be an exfoliating lip treatment, it doesn't have any scrubbing exfoliating to it. So that's where I was a little confused. To me, this will be just like a lip balm, lip gloss, lip mask type of product that I truly can throw on whenever I need that hydration on my lips. But it's a little bit more flattering than a lip balm because it has that shine. So I like this for a during the day type of lip hydration to throw on. So I really am happy with this. I definitely want to try out more products from this brand. So if you have any recommendations, let me know in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.